Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Farm animals are those animals that live in the farm. They are very useful to us. So let's learn about them. These are cows. And you know what, children? Cow gives us milk, which is very healthy and useful for all of us. With the milk, we can make butter, cheese, yogurt, and many more other things. These are goats, and they also gives us milk. These are pigs. And children, the meat of pig is eaten by many people across the world. These are sheeps, and they gives us wool. With the wool we can make woolen clothes. It's a horse. It is used for riding and transportation. These are hens. They gives us eggs, and its meat is consumed by people. Its meat is known as chicken. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.